Hindi ko kita, Mark. Paano lang? Pa-zoom lang, please.
Tama ko pa po ba tong problem, ma'am?
Hindi na, okay na yan. Naintindihan nyo na naman yung problem natin. Ayan. So just the solution. Pakita mo lang yung original data set, yung original na item set,
Ito
the
po, ma'am, yung
transactional,
transaction.
the transactions, no? Ayan, pakita mo lang. And then you are going to what? You are going to have your candidate set, yung C1 natin. Ayan. So
Yes
you
po,
have the
ma'am,
candidate set. Ayan. So you were able to get the candidate set based on what? The support. Ang support natin ay 2, no?
Po. Apo.
Ayan, Mark. Ayan. So dito sa C1, L1 mo, pinag-combine mo na. Okay.
Apo, ma'am. Tapos yung sa generate candidate to po.
Sandali. Mark, wait. Baba mo. Ayan. Okay. So you have the C1 or the pruning. Actually, yung pruning natin and ano yan? Pruning and then join. Okay. So pruning is similar to candidate set and then join is actually similar to most frequent item, no? Yung ating L1. Or rather the L. Okay. So, meron lang akong question. Okay. Mark, yung ano mo, yung una mong table, you have the C1. All right. So, okay. Okay. Mark, ganito yon. Iba ang C1, iba ang L1. Okay?
Apo, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So, we have to take note of that. Yung ating C1 is, okay. Kasi ang minimum support natin ay 2, no?
Apo.
And then ang confidence natin ay 50%. We're not yet working with that kasi mamaya pa yan, no?
Apo, ma'am.
So we have here the C1 and then based on the minimum support, ito na yung L1 natin. Tama
yes,
ba?
Po, ma'am.
Okay, yes.
Lahat po sila. Pasok po.
Yeah. So pumasok sila sa L1. Okay, the frequent item set. And then ready now for the C2, no? For the candidate set. So based on our frequent item set, ayan. So meron na tayong combination, ano? Based on your frequent item set. So dito, what happened, Mark?
May mga di po nakapasok sa minimum support number 2 po, ma'am. Kaya yung sa frequent item set po is nabawasan po sila, ma'am.
All right. So, ang ating item set, okay, so based on your frequent item set from PAS 1. PAS 1 kasi yung C1 tsaka L1 mo, no? So now we're ready for the PAS 2. So yung PAS 2 natin, what happened? Based on the minimum support,
may mga
ilang item set itong ginawa mo for the second round? For the second PAS? Na ilan lahat ito?
15 po, ma'am.
15. So from 15, how many items set? Okay.
7 po.
So we have our item set. We have our most frequent item set, no? From 15, we have 7. Tama ba?
Yes, ma'am.
Ayan, so we have 7. Okay, ayan. Yes. And then now, ayan, pwede pa tayong mag-pass or another round, no? So we have 3 items, no? So, wait lang. We have 3 items. Ayan. Okay, wait. Mark, sandali lang.
Sige po, ma'am.
Okay, so with your with your next round, no? Ayan. So ayan, nakita natin, Mark, no? Okay, based on your candidate set. Alright. Okay na, nakikita naman natin yung candidate set eh. So we have what? The frequent item set. Okay, sige. So based on your frequent item set, what are the items no remain?
Tatlo po ma'am yung apple, beer, and rice. Tas yung beer, rice, chicken, beer, rice, milk po. Yung minimum support po nila 2. Tas sila lang po yung nakapasa.
Oo, ayan. So plus take note no dun sa ating process of the a priori algorithm. So if you are going to propose a project, technically speaking, somewhat similar with this. But if you would like to explore, sa end nyo na yung pag-explore eh. Pero as of now, ito lang muna ang ituturo ko sa inyo class. We have the a priori algorithm. Then in your project proposal, probably you are going to have some tindahan or grocery no that you are going to consider in your project no. So dapat ganito yung ipapakita nyo. Of course, hindi naman tayo limited sa 8 no, di ba Mark? 8
Yes,
ata
ma'am.
itong ating records ano. So you have
8
to
transaction.
you have to increase no the number of transactions for us to see, for us to validate our confidence and then support. Ayan. Okay, so Mark, alam ko naintindihan mo ito. Hindi ko lang sure yung ibang mga pero sabi naman ni Nicole, may mga nagpapasa na ng assignment today. Ayan. So this is very clear, ganda ng presentation ano. So I believe Mark meron ng handang sumunod kasi based on your past 3, we have the most frequent item set. Okay, Mark, if you notice medyo yung result, may kasabay lang ako magturo. Okay, pasensya na Mark. Okay. Hindi ko alam kung
naman po
naririnig
rinig,
mo.
ma'am.
Ha?
Hindi naman po masyado.
Salamat naman. Hindi ka pala naririnig. Okay. So, tingnan mo ito Mark. No? We could see that the beer is always included no in the
Yes, ma'am.
item set no, mga lasinggero ang mga tao diyan sa lugar na yan. Okay, but anyway, wala tayong magagawa. So probably the decision that we could make as of now is pag mag-open ka ng tindahan, magbebenta ka ng beer. Okay, kunwari ko
Yes,
lang
ma'am.
yan. Ayan. Oo, kasi yun ang sikat dito eh. We have beer, no? Okay, so for every combination, we have beer. So ayan, gagawan mo siya na analysis, no? So you're going to think, bakit beer? What kind of people are there in that area? But anyway, that could be beyond our analytics. Okay, pwede ka naman magkaroon ng diagnostic analytics no, after this. So we have to prove more. Diba, Mark? We
Yes,
have
ma'am.
to prove more. Sana handa na yung mga kaklase mo. So, based on the most frequent item set, we have the 3. Ito na yan. Okay na yan. So, the next thing that we have to do, we have to determine what? The association rules.
Yes, ma'am.
Based on the frequent item set. Okay, Mark. Okay, ayoko na kasing magtawag. Tapos hindi naman ako papansinin, Mark. Okay. Kaya Mark, I really appreciate your participation kasi pag wala nang nagpa-participate, ikaw ang sumasalo. Okay. Pero Mark, that will be good. Walang problema doon, Mark, pero kailangan hindi lang ikaw, dapat lahat kayo. No, Mark, I really appreciate your effort no to save your classmates. Actually, you're not saving your classmates, you're saving yourself. Okay. Ayan. Siyempre, ang evaluation ng grade, individual, hindi naman yan by class or by group. So, we have to take note of that. Kung ikaw, Mark, nakakaya mo to, what's the problem with other classmates? So, it's a matter of what? Time management. Tama ba, Mark?
Opo, ma'am.
Time management lang ito, okay? Ganun talaga. And then when you work, Mark, and then other BSIT, ganito talaga. Actually, it's hard. Kaya nga, habang estudyante kayo, you have to make yourself what? You have to make yourself tough and then strong. Kasi hindi ka magiging strong pag ganito ka nag-excuse lagi. Tama ba, Mark? And then, anyway. Ayan. Okay, sasabi ni Nicole hanggang alauna. And then time will come na hindi ka talaga matutulog because you have to do everything. Pero hindi naman palagian yon. Hindi yung palagian. Dumarating talaga yung mga ganong season. Pero once you are being called to do something, do not say no. Kasi nakakababa ng integridad yon. I'm sorry for that. Nakakababa ng integridad, nakakababa ng support, and then nakakababa ng confidence. Okay, so no is actually very dangerous. Diba, Mark? So, tanggalin natin yung ganong attitude na mag-say ng no. Okay? Ma'am, wala po ako internet, but you can share your presentation to other classmates na may internet. Pwede naman yun eh. I think, Mark, John, Mark, Nicole, and then other people here are very willing to help you. Di ba? Ganun naman kayo. You are helping each other. Ma'am, hindi ko po share. Wala po akong computer, but you can share. Ma'am, hindi ko po alam, but we have a schedule. O, di ba, alam niyo naman niya may schedule tayo. Limit ko kayo pag Friday. So, kahit pagod na pagod kayo, kahit pagod na pagod si ma'am, as much as possible, imimit ko kayo. And then, on Tuesday, Mark, for your information and then other BSIT, hindi ko kayo imimit. Mali pala. On Monday, I will not meet you on Monday. Kasi meron kaming sector planning sa Pluto. So, malayong-malayo yun. Walang internet doon. Hindi ako sure kung may internet. So, technically, pupunta kami doon, hindi ko kayo mamimit because we are going to travel. No? O, ayan. Magsakay-sakay sa Ocean Deep. Hindi, joke lang. So, we're going to Batangas class and then we have a sector planning at Batangas. So, hindi ko kayo mamimit on Monday. Ayan. O, syempre, magdidiwang kayo kasi hindi ko kayo imimit. But, no, you have not to say, you must not celebrate kasi may gagawin kayo. You have to finalize your project presentation. And then, di ba, Mark, the truth, hindi ko naman kayo natatawag lahat in one session. Kaya nga, sana pag tinawag ko kayo, you will not say no. Ma'am, we have a problem with the internet. It's not actually a problem. Matagal na nating problema ang internet. Alam nila, yung mga nagpupunta sa PUP, alam nyo yan, di ba Nicole? Lagi tayong walang internet sa PUP, but that is not actually what a hindrance for us to work and then for us to learn. Tama ba? Ano pa ba next na mawawala sa PUP? Walang internet, walang ilaw, walang tubig. And then sabi namin, anyway, still we have to work. Kahit wala yung internet, walang ilaw, walang tubig, still we have to work. Did you get? O, ayan kayo din, class. So we have to be very strong. O, ayan, Mark, thank you ha. Pero Mark, if ever na, anyway, we are going to have now the next one. Kasi napili na natin ang most frequent item, we are now going to have association rules. Pag wala na talaga tayong past na mangyayari, kasi eto na yan eh, nag-optimize na tayo eh. We are able to reach the maximum solution for candidate set frequent item, alam na natin. So we are now ready to have what? Association rules based on what? The confidence. Ipapasok na natin yung formula ng confidence. And then ano yung minimum confidence natin, Mark?
50% po, ma'am.
50%. I know that you have the answer for that. Pero Mark, okay na muna ito. I will call another one. Pero Mark, tulungan mo ako para hindi na mairita si Ma'am Fabregas.
Opo, ma'am.
Okay, tulungan mo ako na tumawag pa na isang tao na magpapatuloy sa ginawa mo. Okay, because I know that you have the same answer. Kasi isa lang naman yung ating problem.
Si ano po, ma'am? Beethoven na lang po siguro, ma'am.
Si Beethoven. Okay, thank you for that, Mark. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, thank you. So, Mark. Si Mark ay laging, alam mo Mark, sa totoo lang, yung sa class record, nahihirapan na ako sa class record ko kasi yung column ko nauubos pag yung sa iyo, no? Puno na. Okay. Puno na ang iyong part. Okay, but anyway, iba, okay. I do not know. Ayan. So, hello, Beethoven. Hello, are you ready?
Yes po.
Ayan, very good. So, Beethoven, I will make you co-host. Ayan. All right. So, we have to determine the association rules based on what? The confidence. Iko-compute na natin yung confidence. Okay?
Kita na po.
So, Mark, yeah, we can see it. We can see it. Okay, Mark tuloy. Beethoven, tingnan mo yung gawa mo, Beethoven. Okay. Pakibilang naman kung ilan yung nagawa mo na rules, please. Ay, hindi pa pala nabebelang. Okay, so ilan ba ang nagawa na rules?
25 po.
25. Okay, dami, no? Okay, so we have 25. Based
Ay,
on
ano lang po pala,
yeah,
ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Na-overwhelm ata si Beethoven.
18, 19, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 18 po.
18. Ayan. Kasi ibang section 15 eh. Okay. Pero meron din ata nag-18. Anyway, it depends upon your combination kasi, no? But anyway, the merrier. Ayan. The more the merrier. So in your work, Beethoven, 18. Okay. And then Beethoven, the good thing about what you did is you were able to show the computation for the support, for the confidence. Then Beethoven, nakita natin, no, the sum of the combinations are actually not what? Not qualified to become association role. No?
Yes
So
po.
Beethoven, pili ka lang ng 50% and then above. Okay. Paki-highlight mo na din, ma-highlight ba? I-highlight. Beethoven, paki-highlight mo dito ang, okay, paki-highlight mo lang yung mga 50% and then above. So ilan sila?
2, 4, 6, 2, 6,
Kasi ang hinighlight niya pala yung less than. Okay,
14.
sige.
15 po.
15, ayan. So technically speaking, yeah, you were able to form association rules, no, based on the most frequent item set, no. 18 siya. But because of what? The formula for the confidence, no, you were able to what? You were able to form association rules based on the confidence 15. Tama, no, Beethoven? 15.
Yes po, ma'am.
Oh, we have to remember that. 15. And then sa compute mo na confidence, meron tayong 100%. Take note of that, Beethoven. Ilan yung 100%? 2,
2, 3, 4. 5 po.
Bilangin mo nga uli.
5 po, ma'am.
Okay, 5. Sige, 5. So we have 5, no? 5 rules, no? And then based on the confidence, the computed confidence is actually what? 100%, and then they are 5. So tingnan natin, ano? So from 18, naging 15. Beethoven, tama na.
Yes po, ma'am.
And then from 15, we have 5 na 100% ang confidence. So I was telling you before that for us to validate this confidence, no, ano ginagawa natin? We have to compute the
Lift.
Okay. And then Beethoven, nakita ko ang assignment mo. Thank you for that. Very good ka dito. Okay. So ayan. O sige, baba mo Beethoven, pakibaba lang. Ayan. So tingnan natin yung ating lift. Okay, the one that will tell if and only if what? We have what? We have direct relationship or there is a what? Correlation. So anong target natin, Beethoven? Greater than 1. Equals to 1 or less than 1. Anong target natin, Beethoven?
Ano po, ma'am? Greater to 1.
Oo, greater than 1. So ibig sabihin, if we have greater than 1, ano ibig sabihin nun?
Yun po yung final association rule natin.
Okay, so at this point of time, we're going to have the final association rule, no, based on the computation of the lifts. So ang target natin greater than 1. Ibig sabihin, there will be what? Direct relationship with item A and then item B. Pag bibili ka ng item A, bibili ka ng item B. So yun yung target natin. And then from your computation, Beethoven, makinig yung iba ha. Okay. From your computation, ilan ang greater than 1? Greater than 1.
For,
Highlight mo na, Beethoven, please.
$11 po.
Okay, we have 11. So from 15, Beethoven na. From 15, now we have what? 11. Tama? So
Yes,
based
po.
on the lift, no? Based on the lift, okay, buti na lang at nagawa na itong lift para hindi na tayo mag-consume ng time. So I was thinking hindi pa nagagawa yung lift. But I was, as far as I remember, parang kasama ang lift in the assignment. So tingnan mo maigi, Beethoven, and then BSIT, tingnan nyo maigi. Yung mga tutulog-tulog dyan, ayan. So tingnan nyo maigi. We have what? How many association rules are validated? Anyway, 15. But the latest, no, rules that will be what accepted based on the lift is 11. Tama ba, Beethoven? 11?
Yes po.
Yan. So we have 11. Now, Beethoven, ano tawag dito? pakibanggit mo nga what are the association rules, no? That will be that are now said to be what accepted. So ganito lang ang basa diyan Bito Ben ha. Yung ating example we have ano ba to apple then beer,
Apple beer.
no? Determines what? Rice. Rice ba 'yon?
Yes po.
Okay. So apple then beer determines rice. Or di naman kaya if you are going to buy apple then apple rice, then you're going to buy mali ako. If you're going to buy apple beer, then you're going to buy rice. So, ipaki-interpret mo depending upon you on how you're going to tell it. So, you can have A, B, you can have A determines B. Or di naman kaya if you're going to buy A, then you're going to buy B. So, paki-interpret mo in that manner. Okay, sige, B to Ben, go. Sige.
So yun po yung final association rule natin is if we are going to buy apple and beer, then we are going to buy rice. And next, if we are going to buy apple, then apple and rice, then we are going to buy a beer. Then if we are going to buy a rice, then we are going to buy an apple and a beer. Then if we are going to buy a beer and rice, then we are going to buy a chicken. If we are going to buy a beer and chicken, then we are going to buy a rice. And if we are going to buy a rice and chicken, then we are going to buy a beer. Then if we are going to buy a chicken, then we are going to buy a beer and rice. Then next is if we are going to buy a rice, then we are going to buy chicken and beer. And if we are going to buy a beer, then we are going to buy a chicken and rice. Then if we are going to buy a rice and milk, then we are going to buy a beer. Then last, if we are going to buy a rice, and then we are going to buy a milk and beer. Yun lang po,
Okay. Yeah. Pero tignan mo, no, Bito Ben, then IT 24,
2-5.
25, okay. So tingnan nyo maigi, no? Yung mga combination talagang umiikot lang kay beer, kay rice,
Yes,
and then
po.
of course kay chicken. Then of course may konting apple. Okay, may konting apple. Ayan. Now, IT, tingnan nyo to maigi ha. Tingnan nyo lang maigi ha. Meron ditong confidence na 50%, pero ang taas ng lift. Dito Ben, no? Meron ditong confidence na 50% pero ang taas ng lift. Diba? So, hindi na ako alanganin. Hindi na ako alanganin kasi based on the lift, it is valid. It is valid as what? Association rule. So, can you pick them, Bito Ben? Yung ang confidence ay 50% pero ang taas ng lift. Can you pick them, Bito Ben? Yeah, okay. All right. All right. Meron pa sa taas.
Ayan po, ma'am.
Ayan. So based on your computation, tingnan mo, taas ng lift, but then of course the confidence is said to be what? Only 50%. Pero taas ng lift. So we cannot conclude that if we have the confidence 50%, then the lift is said to be what? 1 or less than 1. So hindi talaga concluding yan, ano? And then tingnan mo yung ating, okay, huwag mo na i-highlight. Tingnan mo yung ating, yung nag 100%. Meron ba dong bumagsak sa lift?
Wala naman po.
Wala, okay, yes. Yung 66% natin, meron bang bumagsak sa lift?
Wala rin po, ma'am.
Oo. So ang bumagsak sa lift, yung what? Yung 50%.
50%.
Oo, ayan. So 50% is actually what? Very critical. Pwedeng bagsak, 'di ba? Kaya you can now help me na okay, hindi porket hindi kami nagre-recite babagsak kami, okay? Yes. Kasi marami naman tayong marami naman tayong criteria, no, for you to pass. But then plus ang ginagawa ko after the attendance, ang tinitignan ko na participation. Okay, and it makes my life easy pag nagpa-participate na nakakatulong sa akin yun for me to compute the grades no with confidence. So ito B2Ben, tingnan natin ano. So based on the leave, ilan na lang ang natira? Tama ba 11?
11 po.
11. So we have 11 association rules based on the leave. O ayan, ang ganda na assignment natin. O, B2Ben, very clear. It's very, very clear. Pero what did you notice sa bawat combination merong
Ano po, ma'am?
sa bawat combination ng items natin, merong anong item?
Beer po, ma'am, tsaka
Merong beer.
rice.
Merong beer and then rice. Yes. So maaring ito ay Asian countries, no? Maaring Asian country or maaring Western country ito. But anyway, may rice eh. So tayo lang naman ang mahilig sa rice and then of course other Asian countries, no? Pero yung mga Western countries hindi mahilig sa rice. They prefer what? Bread. No? Ayan, so B2Ben, very nice ang assignment natin. Very, very clear. Okay, B2Ben, thank you very much.
Thank you po, ma'am.
Okay, B2Ben, bigyan mo ako ng tao na pag kinausap ko, hindi ako sagutin ng no. Sige, B2Ben, please. Paano pong gagawin nila? Natural, tatanungin ko. Alam namang magkwentuhan kaming dalawa. Okay, sige.
Si ano na lang po, Josiah.
Si Josiah. O, ayan. Sabi ni Josiah. Okay, wait lang ha, B2Ben. Sige, B2Ben, thank you. And then, Mark, thank you. Sandali lang. Sandali lang. Okay, I have to check my record. So, B2Ben. Hi. Ayan, okay. So, Josiah, is it all right, no, to see or rather to show your assignment?
Okay lang po, ma'am.
Oo, tingnan natin yung assignment ni Josiah. Ayan. Wala na naman si, ay nako, JM, Nicole. Wala na naman si,
Sino po, ma'am?
daming wala eh. Ang daming wala.
Sa climate po yun.
Climate.
Opo. Nakakatulog.
Nako JM, hindi na kita kakalbuhin. Okay? Nako talaga naman. Oo, actually the truth is very anong tawag dito? Yung climate natin for today and most especially yesterday talagang pang bedroom ang climate kahapon at ngayon. Okay, but still we have to go on. We have to move on, na? Diba JM? Oo. Oo, pero hindi magandang reason niya, no? Alright. Sige. Maraming absent ha, pero si Stephen wala talaga siya. Okay, ano ba nangyayari sa batang yan? Mark, ano ba nangyayari sa best friend mo? Okay, ayan. Oh, ayan. Ma'am, natutulog po. Okay, actually hindi lang naman si Stephen, marami namang tulog pa until now. Okay. So sige, wag na nating hanapin ang mga wala na yung mga nandito na lang ang tatawagin natin. So, Josiah, yes. I think you're now ready. Ayan.
No po, ma'am.
Alright. Josiah, tingnan mo yung assignment mo. Okay. Okay. Sige. Do you have same number of rules according to confidence? 15, tapos after the leap, naging 11 na lang, Josiah. Pareho kayo ni B2Ben?
Opo, ma'am.
Pareho naman. Okay. Pero hindi naman kayo nagkopyahan, syempre.
Hindi po.
Oo, kasi hindi kayo frequent item set. Okay? So, sinong ka-frequent item set mo, Josiah?
Ay, wait lang po. Bilang
Oo.
ko pala ulit.
Sige.
Ay, tatlo
Kasi-
lang sa akin, ma'am.
Tatlo ang alin.
Ang 1 po, tapos so 15, 12 po yung ano ko po. More than 1.
Okay, check mo ha, Josiah. Paki-check din. Check mo lang. Okay. The popular answer, 15 and then trim down to 11. Okay. That's the popular answer. Check nyo na lang yung computation, Josiah. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to do is what? Yung conviction. Tingnan natin ang conviction, okay? Check mo din, Josiah. No problem, hindi ito pagkukulang sa part mo. The only thing that we have to do is what? We have to check the computation. But the popular answer is actually what? From 15 trim down to 11 based on what? Lift, the computation of the lift. Now, we're going to have another parameter, the last parameter, or the last what? Tool, no? To evaluate if the 11 is still 11. We have to know the conviction. Okay. Josiah, ilan ang lumabas sa iyo? More than 11? Nag-12 ka? So from 15 naging 12? Tama ba?
Wait lang po.
Okay, as of now, parang gano'n, no? Kasi tatlo yung 1 mo. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, check mo lang yung computation. No problem, Josiah. It's a no problem. I-check mo lang. Ayan. So the next thing, sige Josiah, nakita ko na yung assignment mo yan mamaya, okay? Okay, ako naman ang mag-share, Josiah. Okay. Check mo ha. All right. No problem with that. Ayan. So, i-check lang ni Josiah yung kanyang ginawa. But I have to call somebody. Ayan. So, sana pag nagtawag ako ay, anong gagawin namin? Magbabasa lang kasi babasahin natin yung conviction. Okay, basa lang tayo ng conviction. Oh, what is it? Kaya nga babasahin natin. Okay, wait lang class. Basa lang tayo. So baka naman merong gustong magbasa at makatulong sa atin. Ayan. So we have the lift and then we have the conviction. Tingnan natin si conviction. Tingnan ko lang yung aking kodigo. Alright. So, check lang. Sandali lang, class. Ayan. So, I need the support. Ay, hindi pa pala na-share. Wait lang, class. So, I need the support of everybody. Magtulungan na tayo, class. Yun. Alright. So, sabi ni Justin siya daw magbabasa. So, siya ang mag-explain ito afterwards. Ayan, Justin. Alam ko nakikita mo ako at nakikita ka namin. Ayan. So, you have to read the following. Review lang natin for us to understand it more. So, again, anong ibig sabihin ng support? Justin.
Parang po yun yung ma'am.
You read please, Justin.
Okay,
You read.
Support proportional frequency of an item in the database.
Okay. Okay na yan. Proportional frequency of an item in the database. So, we were able to do it, no? Proportional frequency. Ang support is laging based on frequency. Diba, Justin? Okay.
Yes po, ma'am.
Alam ko nakagawa ka naman na assignment. Now, tingnan mo yung confidence again. What is it?
How confident we are of an event given another event.
Ayan. Kaya tinitignan natin yung A as what? As to determine B. No? Yung A as to determine B. So based on the assignment that we have, no, nakita natin na based on the confidence we have what? Ilan nga yung rules natin based on the confidence, Justin?
Ano po, ma'am? 2 po. Ay, ano po ulit yun, ma'am?
Ay, nako. Ilan yung association rules natin based on the confidence kanina?
Ano po, ma'am? 18 po.
Oo, pero after computing the confidence, naging?
Ano po siya, ma'am? 15. Kasi
15.
may tatlo pong bumaban.
Yes. And then after determining the lift, ilan na lang?
11 po, ma'am. 11 po.
Ayan. So, basahin natin yung lift.
A measure that tells us whether the probability of an event B increases or decreases given event A.
Okay. So we have here the probability of the event B. So take note of that. Yung B natin, tinitignan natin yung B kung related kay A. Diba? So yung B ba natin ay for sure na be determined, no? If we have this A. So yun ang tinitignan natin yung sa lift, yung B natin. Tinitignan natin how valid B is actually what? To be bought, no? If ever that we have what? A. Yun ang tinitignan natin. Yung B, dun sa ating lift. Now, tingnan mo yung conviction. Ayan.
Another
Tingnan
way,
yung conviction, yes.
another way to measure association, which compares the probability that A appears without B if they were independent versus the actual frequency of A appearance without B.
Ayan. So ang tinitingnan naman natin dito sa conviction ay yung B. Okay. So, B tuloy. Yung, tama ba ako? So, another way to measure association which compares, ayan. So, ang tinitingnan natin dito yung A. Pag leaf, ang tinitingnan natin yung B. Okay, titingnan natin yung B depending upon what the A. Now, pag conviction naman, we are going to check what? Yung A. No? Yung A ang tinitingnan. Pero, Justin, ang target pa rin natin kay conviction ay what? Greater than 1. So, pag ang conviction na greater than 1, nakapareho ng leaf, ibig sabihin ng Justin, so we have the final association rule. So tingnan mo ang left, okay. Si B laging yan nakakabit kay A, parang gano'n ano. Pero ito naman pag conviction, titignan mo si A. Paano si A? Ayan. Si leaf ang tinitignan mo si B. Pero si conviction ang tinitignan mo na si A. Okay. So we have the leaf for B, and then we have what? We have the conviction for A. So tignan na natin. And then anong target natin dito? Siyempre pag equals to 1, no. Walang bearing 'yan. Pag less than 1, no. No association, hindi walang relationship. Pero pag greater than 1, there is a what? Relationship. So look at the formula. Justin and then IT 2, 5. So walang kokontra ngayon ha. Tignan niyo yung formula. We have conviction AB. Then meron tayong 1 minus support B over 1 minus confidence AB. Okay, so ganito ang gagawin ko, Justin? Ayan. Kukunin ko tong formula ng conviction, Justin. Okay? Kukunin ko yan. Ilalagay ko doon sa chat box. Now, what are you going to do? Doon sa 11 na association rules based on the list, kukunin natin yung conviction. Ang target natin dapat greater than 1. Now, Justin, may papagawa ako sa iyo. Among the valid left, mamili ka doon ng i-compute mo yung conviction. Okay? So, we're going to wait. Now, we're going to wait. Ayan. So, we have Control C. Sandali lang. Josiah, you can do also the same, no? Pili ka among your what? Among your left na greater than 1, then pili ka ng iyong conviction that you would like to compute. So the rest of you will do the same. Ayan, para hindi tayo nahirapan lahat. So ikaw, Justin, what is your pick? Okay, what is your pick? Sandali, Justin. Wait lang. So we have the share. Now yung mga tulog dyan, gumising na kayo at meron lang tayong, ayan, importante na gagawin. So sa mga assignment nyo, nakita nyo doon ang left, ang valid association based on what the left. So sabi natin, pag left, we're looking for the A, and then pag mali. Pag left, we're looking for the B, and then pag conviction, we're looking for A. Ayan. So pag greater than 1 pareho sila, then we're going to have the final. Siyempre, pabawas yung ating association rules. Justin, no? So what are you going to do? Okay, Bito Ben, sandali. Pa-show ng assignment mo, please. Ayan. Pa-show ng assignment. Mukhang co-host ka pa rin. Pa-show ng assignment mo. Pa-show ng table. So, hindi mahirapan ang mga kaklase, lalo na yung mga natutulog pa. Ayan. Pa-show. Ayan. So, tingnan mo yung ating, ayan. Nasaan ka? Ay, hindi pala. Ayan. So, we have the lip, no? Ayan na yung computation ng lip natin, no? Bito Ben. And then what happened? Anong gagawin natin? Justin, pili ka ng isa dito that you can compute the conviction. So ang target natin ay Dapat greater than 1. Ma'am, ano pipiliin ko? Natural, yung mataas ang confidence. Yung mataas ang leap ang piliin mo na para hindi na tayo nahihirapan. So, Justin, Josiah, I would like you to work with this. No? We have to know the leap. JM, Nicole, so please help. And then we have other people. Bakit si Rick hindi nag-open ang cam? And then, ayan, so si Casey, na hindi na rin naka-open. Joanna, if you would like to extend your help. Diana, Dayan, hello. Naku, iba naman dito. Magising naman kayo. Rick, ano nangyari sa iyo? What is happening? Sige. Sabi ni Rick, ay, napansin ako ni ma'am. Ayan. Then the other people here, ayan. So ano ba ang ginagawa natin sa klase? Ma'am, nakikinig lang. Well, listening is not enough. You have to learn. Okay. Kasi estudyante kayo, please. Oo. So pick your choice. Justin, anong ipipick mo na conviction? Tell me.
Ano po ma'am, doon na tayo sa ano ma'am, sa chicken, beer, tas yung support po yung rice. Since 100% po yung confidence in ano, more than
Okay. So
narinig
ito,
ko. Yes
yung
po ma'am.
number 2, Justin.
Ito,
Yung pangalawa,
yes, yung ano po ma'am, chicken, beer, rice po.
Saan yun?
Tas yung,
Ito,
yung rice, yes
ito.
po ma'am, yung support po yung rice.
Ito. Okay. So, ang B niya yung rice. Yung A
Yes
niya
po,
yung
ma'am.
chicken and then yung beer. Tama ba? So,
Yes
ito
po,
yung
ma'am.
sa iyo. Sige. Bito Ben, pakitulong mo na kami. Ayan. Paki-highlight mo na. Meron nang kumuha nito. Ayan. Nabenta na itong item na. And then, nagbibiro lang ako. Okay. So, ayun. And then, hello Josiah, what is your item? Ano i-compute mo na conviction?
Yung apple rice po and yung beer. Yung may
Okay.
po, ma'am.
Ayan. So, yun na yung kay Josiah. Ayan, okay. So, sandali Bitobe, wag ka muna mag-compute. Okay lang na tagaturo ka muna, pointer ka muna as of now, no? And then tingnan natin si Nicole. Nicole, anong gusto mong conviction dito?
Ano po, ma'am?
Conviction, you're going to compute the conviction. Ano dito ang pipiliin mo? Wag lang yung 1 ha, sabunutan kita. Okay. O, anong pipiliin mo? Naghihintay si Bito Ben.
Ano po, yung may beer po, tsaka rice.
Nako talaga naman. So yung may beer rice and then bibili ng chicken, tama? Yung ba?
Apo,
O
ma'am.
yan, okay. O, nabili na ni Nicole to. Okay, so Dayan, ikaw, anong item mo, Dayan?
Yung rice milk beer po.
Yung?
Rice milk beer.
Ito, ayan. O, nabili na ni Dayan. Okay. O, Joanna, ikaw, anong item mo dito? Ayan.
Yung rice and then chicken beer po. Yung nasa baba po nung naka-highlight na yan. Yan po.
Ayan. Okay. So may mga nakabili na. Parang bidding ano. Okay. Dito ba ni-excuse kita? Okay, si ikaw, anong gusto mo dito? Pagpipili ng 1 ha, naku, sabunutan kita pag 1 ang pinili mo. So wag pipili ng 1. Okay. Rice chicken daw, Bito Ben. Rice chicken then beer. Yun ang gusto niya, beer. O sige. Okay. Ang B niya ay beer. Ayan. Ayan. So Casey, and then tingnan natin yung iba. O JM, ikaw, anong pipiliin mo?
Beer, chicken, saka rice po.
Beer, chicken, tsaka rice. Okay, Bito Ben. Si Josiah nakapili na. Tama na, Josiah? Nakapili na, no?
Opo, ma'am.
Okay, ayan. O magtawag tayo ngayon ng mga naka-close ang cam. Okay, so we have Jaren, ikaw, anong pipiliin mo?
Ma'am, yung ano po, yung rice, apple, saka beer po.
Rice, apple, tsaka beer. Okay. Ayan, yun ang pipiliin niya. Rice, apple, tsaka beer. Okay. Alright. Alright. So, habang naghihintay tayo sa computation. And then, ikaw, John Conrad, anong pipiliin mo?
Ano po, ma'am, yung rice, baby bottle, and beer po.
Okay. Sorry. Ayan. So ilan pa, Bito Ben? Ilan pa? Meron pa, no? Bito Ben, okay ka lang.
Ay, yes
Okay.
po. May dalawa pa po, ma'am.
Ayan. O Tricia, ikaw anong pipiliin mo?
Po, ma'am.
Oo
Yung
po.
bearded chicken pati rice po.
Oh, yan. Pinili niya. Okay, Tricia. Sige. Manginginom siguro to si Tricia. O, sige. Okay. O, nagbibiro lang. And then, Christina, anong pipiliin mo? Yeah, Christina, are you here? Are you there? Okay, mukhang walang respond. Baka siya ay nagme-merienda na. Okay, so, yung una daw. O, sige. Christina yung una. Bito Ben yung una daw sa kanya. Okay. O, Bito Ben, ilan na lang?
Okay na po, ma'am.
Okay na. O yung iba, okay, mag-compute kayo. Check natin kung tama ang kanilang formula for conviction. Then the formula for the conviction is already at what? At the chat box. Ayan. O alam niyo yung A ha, alam niyo yung B. Baka naman mamaya tatanong niyo pa, ano yung A tsaka B? O with number 1, ang A natin yung apple and then beer. So yung B natin yung rice. Okay, so I'm waiting for your response. Sige, Bito Ben, okay na, pero wag mo munang stop. Gamitin na natin itong assignment mo. Sabi ko Ben, yung ano mo, yung ito, yung table, since nasa Word ka ata, dagdagan mo na lang na isang column para malagyan natin ng na ano nga ba to, ng conviction.
Conviction, sige po.
Dagdagan mo na lang ng isang column so we could write the conviction. Right. Oo. So, para hindi ka na okay. Para hindi ka na anong tawag dito? Magawa sa baba. Dito na lang natin ilagay. Pagdagdag na lang ng row. Ayan. So, Vito Ben, tulungan mo ako, tulungan mo kami lahat, no? Just to put the computation of the conviction. Some of the classmates, tapos na. O, yung ibang hindi natin tinawag, still you have to do this. Hindi natin ito maiintindihan, di ba Mark, pag hindi natin sinubukan, tama ba?
Opo, ma'am.
Oo. Walang intindi pag hindi mo ginawa. Okay. O kahit inaanto kayo dyan, still we have to do this. Ayan, so I think we have we have Nicole and then Christina, then Jan, then Josiah ready. O sige. Nicole, identify mo lang kung anong role yung iyong kinompute, please.
Yung ano po, beer, rice, and chicken po.
Beer, rice, and chicken.
Beer and rice.
Beer and rice. Ayun, yung 50%, na? Ayan. So what's the computation of the conviction?
Bali ano po, 1 minus 2/8. Tapos ano po, over 1 minus 2/4. And then, again mo 1 minus 0.25 over 1 minus 0.5. Tapos yung answer niya is 1.5.
1 point ilan?
5.
5.
Ayun po, ma'am.
1.5. Tama Nicole?
Yes po.
Okay, so we have 1.5. Ayan. Ang importante dito, class, kahit hindi siguro ganun ka-accurate, but we have to be certain na tama yung ating conviction na siya ay greater than 1. That's our target, no? So as of this point of time, kahit ang confidence ay 50%, Nicole, we have a very high lift. At the same time, we have a very high conviction. So we have a valid association rule. Okay, Nicole, thank you. Then we have, okay, sandali lang, nasaan ako? Ba't nawala ata ako? Ayun. So I think naka-ready na si Christina. Yes, Christina?
Sa una po. 1 minus 4/8. Then over 1 minus 2/3. Then equals 1 minus 0.5 over 1 minus 0.66 equals 1.5.
Ayan, so we have Christina, yes, this is 1.5. So again, ayan, so meron na tayong dalawang association rules. So based on the computation of conviction, we have apple beer will determine rice or will have the rice to be bought. So we have number 2 association rules. No, we have 2 association rules. And then we have, okay, sige, thank you, Christina. How about Jan?
Hello
Yes?
po, ma'am.
Oo.
Bale, ano po, yun sa akin po is rice pag binili po yung rice is bibili po ng combination ng baby bottle sa beer.
Okay, sige. So
Then,
please.
1 minus 4 divided by 8. Then, divided by 1 minus 4 divided by 8. Then, equals 1 minus 0.5 divided by 1 minus 0.5. Then 0.5 divided by 0.5 equals to 1. Yun po, ma'am. Thank you po.
Okay, Jan. So this is actually what? Concluding that though we have a very high lift of 1.33, no, but this is not valid as our final rule because the final computation for the conviction is only 1. Oo. Pero i-check naman natin yung computation later. Okay, Jan? So this will not be included in our final as a rule, no? Okay. Okay, sige, Jan. Thank you. And then we have Joanna, yes. So what is your rule?
Hello po. So yung sa akin po is yung rice determines chicken and beer.
Okay.
So
Sige,
ano
dito
po?
again. Okay.
1 minus 2 over 8 over 1 minus 2 over 4. Tapos 1 minus 0.25 over 1 minus 0.05. Ay, 0.5. Yan. Tapos 1.5 din yung sagot.
Okay. So 50%, very high lift as well as with respect to conviction, very high. So this is pang ilan na tayong rule? Pang ilan na yung rule natin? Beethoven, again, I think we have the third. This is the third.
Pangapat. Pangatlo. Pangatlo po.
Okay, pangatlo. Kasi isa ay
Kasi
1.
yung apa.
Okay, so as of now, okay, thank you. Thank you, Christina. Okay. Christina ba yung nag-recite o sing?
Joanna po.
Sorry, Joanna. Oo, pasensya ka na, Joanna. So,
Ayun,
Joanna,
thank you po.
okay, surname. Ano nga ang surname? Villegas.
Villegas
Tama
po.
na? Okay, tama. Okay, ayan. And then we have JM, please. Jan, pakibaba na yung kamay. So, we will be...
Sa akin po is beer chicken and rice po.
Ayan.
Yung naka-gray. Sorry.
So,
color.
beer chicken. Nasaan daw yan?
So 1.
Ayan, okay.
Okay, so 1 minus 2 over 8 over 1 minus 0.5 or 0.5 lang. Ay, 4 over 8 pala. And then is equals to 1 minus 0.25 over 1 minus 0.5
Okay.
equals to 1.5.
1.5. Okay, mataas din ang conviction. So, pang ilang rule na natin to, Beethoven?
Pang-apat po, ma'am.
Pang-apat na rule. Okay, thank you, JM. So, we have Justine, yes?
Ma'am, sa akin po yung ma'am, yung wait ma'am, wala yung po ma'am, di po yung chicken din po ma'am, yung beer and rice po yung A.
Yeah, oo. No problem. Sige. Beethoven. Alam mo na yung kanya, yung kay Justine?
Ano ulit? Ano po? Ano daw po?
Nalito. Okay.
Beer. Pwede pa ulit.
Yung
Anong color na lang?
wait. So, wala po. Ayun yung yung yellow. Ayan, yellow.
Okay.
So po ma'am, parang ano lang po siya ma'am. Similar po siya dun sa ano po ma'am, dun sa dun sa apple beer rice ma'am. So 1 minus 2/8 po. Then ano po ma'am? Nadudul ako. Ano, then 4 4/8. 4/8. Ayun, 4/4 pala. Sorry, 4/4. Then equals ito po. Ay, wait lang. Sorry, ma'am. Mali po pala yung na-solve ko.
Yeah, Justin. Sige.
Napagbaliktad ko po yung ano, nahalo po, naging di po si ano ma'am, si rice, then si chicken and beer po yung magkasama tuloy.
Oo. So sa anong ano yun? Anong role yun? Nasaan yung role na yun? At tama yung ano mo, yung role. Pero yung computation, yun ang may problem ka?
Napagbaliktad ko po ma'am. Mauna na lang po siguro ma'am si Casey.
Okay,
Ay, sayusin ko lang po ulit.
Okay, Casey, sige. And then Josiah afterwards. Casey, yes?
Hello po, ma'am. Rinig
Yeah.
po ba? Round po, ma'am, is yung nasa taas lang po ng kay Redens po. Yung rice and chicken defines beer po.
All right.
1 minus 6/8 divided over 1 minus 2/2 is equals to 1 minus 0.75 over 1 minus 1. Undefined po siya, ma'am.
Undefined?
Yes po.
Anong ano? Yun ang lumabas sa computation?
Opo. Kasi po yung 1 minus 1 po.
Yes, oo. Sige, no problem with that, but technically this will not be included as our association rule. Okay. So thank you, ha. Casey. Okay, Casey. Dito, Ben, ilan na ang ating role as of now? 5 pa din or 6 na?
Ano po? 4. 1, 2, 3.
4.
Opo.
4 pa lang. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pa lang. Dito, Ben.
Yes po.
Okay, sige. Okay, no problem with that. So, Josiah, yes?
Sa akin po yung apple rice then defines beer. Tapos po is 1 minus 4/8 divided by 1 minus 4/8 equals 1 minus 0.5 divided by 1 minus 0.5 is equals to 1.
Okay. So based on the computation, this is not a valid association rule. Pero nag 100% kasi ang confidence, ang leap natin nag 1.33, no? Isaya, no? So again, it is not, of course, the confidence, the leap will not be an assurance, no? That our association rule will be what? Will be valid. So with respect to conviction, this is not an association rule. Okay. So we have apple and then rice. Will buy beer. Okay. Nga naman. Okay. O sige. So, okay, Josiah. And then we have Trisha, yes?
Ma'am, yung sa akin is yung color violet po. Yan. Then, 1 minus 2/8. Then, divided by 1 minus 2/6 is equals to 1 minus 0.25 over 1 minus 0.33
is equals to 1.125.
Ayan. So based on the computation, Tricia, no, we have a valid association rule. No?
Opo. Pero
Okay.
when ano siya, 1.125.
Okay, 1.12.
Thank you po.
Okay, thank you, Tricia. And I think we
Ma'am,
still
ulitin,
have.
ma'am, ulitin ko lang po yung sa akin. Ulit ko lang po yung sa akin, ma'am.
Oh, sige, Justin. Okay.
So, ano po siya, ma'am? 1 minus 2 over 2, since B po, si chicken. Then, 1 minus 2 over 8 po. Then po, ma'am, nagka-problem po since sinulog ko po siya sa Excel and undefined din po siya, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. It's all right. It's all right. Tuloy lang. Ayan. So we have undefined. So, dito Ben, ilan na ang rules natin as of now? Okay, thank you, Justin.
5 po, ma'am.
Okay, 5. And then, sino yung ating dalawa pa? Ayan, Dayan. Okay, Dayan, yes?
Yung ano po, ma'am, rice milk beer po. Yung, ayan po. So, yung ano po is 1 minus 4 over 8. Then, over 1 minus 2 over 3. Then, 1 minus 0.5 over 1 minus 0.66. Then, yung ano po is 1.5.
1.5. Okay. Yes, thank you, Dayan. So, as of now, Bito Ben, ilan na yung ating valid ASO rules?
6 na po.
Okay, 6 na. I think the last one is Jaren. Tama ba, Jaren? Okay.
Yes po, ma'am.
Okay, Jaren. Sige, go.
So, bali po sa akin, ma'am, 1 minus 2 over 8, then over 1 minus ano to? 4 over 8, then equals to 1 minus 0.25, then over 1 minus 0.50. So 0.5 equals to 1.5.
1.5. Okay. Ayan. Okay. Thank you, Jaren. So, Bit ko Ben, ilan na ang ating ASO rules?
7 po lahat.
Okay. We have 7. Okay. Ayan. Okay, class. So take note, no, Bit Ben, from the lift, no, that we computed, based on the lift computation, we have 11, no?
Yes,
And
po.
then pagdating natin kay conviction, finally, we have only ilan nga yung ating rules na based on the conviction.
7.
Bito Ben, okay, we have 7. So I believe that okay, paano yung mga 1? O, yan lang ang pinagawa ko. So what are you going to do? You continue with your assignment. Tingnan nyo yung 1. Pero dapat pag yung ating leap ay 1 na, dapat yung conviction natin less than 1 or 1 din. Pero still we have to compute. I hope that you get my point. Kaya lang baka maubos ng oras natin, compute tayo ng compute. So, ang assignment nyo, BSIT, is you're going to continue the computation. As of now, Bito Ben, we have 7. Tama ba? We have 7.
Yes,
And then, what are you going to do? You have to continue computing for leap equivalent to 1. Tignan lang natin. Pero Bito Ben, based on the computation, yung leap na 1 and then pataas, I hope that we are right. Yung leap na 1, yung greater than 1, as of now, yun yung may conviction na greater than 1, but not all, of course. Tama ba, Bito Ben?
Yes po.
Okay. So anyway, we have to check. How about the leap equivalent to 1? Hindi natin mariresolve pag hindi tayo magko-compute. So, the thing that we have to do, still we have to compute. Ma'am, is it possible? Tignan lang natin para sigurado ako. Pero definitely, pag ang leap ay equals to 1, ang conviction equals to 1 din. Pero, or undefined. But you have to compute to be sure. Okay, thank you very much, Bito Ben. Thank you for your help. Anyway, did you learn?
Yes
May
po,
natutunan
ma'am.
ba kayo?
Yes po.
Yes po.
Okay, syempre lalo na yung mga nag-participate, they learned lots for today. And then yung iba na hindi nakapag-compute, hindi nakapag-participate, it's not the end of the world. Still you can participate. Kaya lang, ang problem lang natin ay, eto na yung last lecture natin, class. Okay. This is our last lecture because next week will be preparation for your project proposal. And then the next week will be your project presentation. Kaya nga nalulungkot ako pag tinatawag ko tapos hindi kayo nagre-react. Okay, kasi ito na yung ating last participation for our discussion. Bakit, ma'am? Because next week I will not be able to meet you on Monday. And then Thursday, probably we could meet. Pero the week after that week, we're going to have the final presentation of your project proposal. So wala na tayong discussion. Okay, ayan. Okay, so JM, what's your problem?
Magpo-provide po ba kayo ng exact flow or flow para po sa project proposal
Yeah.
para
I will.
uniform po?
Yes. I will tell the parts. I will tell what will be the parts of your project presentation. Yes, I will. Pero next week, class, please identify your project proposal and then what are you going to do. So technically, class, pwede namang gamitin nyo yung a priori. Wala namang problem. Now, I am actually asking you to have another algorithm to be learned. The rule-based. Kasi ang rule-based tsaka a priori, pareho lang na gumagamit sila na if-then statement. So rule-based is not that difficult. Actually, pwede nyong gamitin ang rule-based. So it depends upon you. You can go beyond, no problem with me. You can go far, okay? Kaya nga di ba sabi ko, I am the trigger, kayo ang bala. It depends upon the trigger kung hanggang saan ang hahabulin nyo or tatakbuhin nyo. Pero class, pwedeng magbago lahat. You can explore and then you can go beyond. Okay, so it depends upon you. So this is our last discussion. On Monday, what are you going to do? You have to prepare your project proposal. Please, June, Mark, and then Nicole, please remind that every group must have a project proposal. And then on Thursday, you're going to have your presentation. Okay, kung magpe-present pa tayo, para lang makita ko. And then after that, we're going to have the final presentation next week. Kasi class next week, end na ng SEM. Kaya yung mga tatamad-tamad dito, I am warning you. Hindi natin alam ang takbo ng araw. Ang bilis ng araw, di ba? As you are working, as you are burdened, bumibilis yung araw. So I am telling you people, we must not what? We must not neglect our responsibility. Meron tayong responsibility sa bawat subject. Ayan. So, anyway, I think I am finished with my obligation. Ma'am, kulang pa yung ating nalaman. I know that, class. Alam ko namang kulang pa yung mga natutunan nyo. But of course, you can study more or we can have more of it in your third year and then fourth year. Meron kayong data mining, tsaka alam ko meron kayong machine learning. So we can have more and more. Yeah, John Mark, any problem?
Ano po?
No? Sige, Nicole. Yes, anong problem natin, Nicole?
Ma'am, may reklamo po si JM.
Anong
Gagraduate pa daw
problem?
po ba yung hindi tumutulong sa kanya, ma'am? Hindi raw po nire-replyan.
Uy, same yan. Wala akong kinalaman yun.
Bibigyan niya pa rin daw po ba ng grade? Hindi daw po sila nire-replyan.
JM, do you have a problem like that? Hindi ko maintindihan. Anong problem? Hindi ka nire-replyan, JM.
In
Okay.
instances po, meron po.
Hindi ka nire-replyan. Okay. Tingnan mo, JM, pag ikay nagme-message, no, syempre, ang ine-expect mo, kahit pa paano, re-replyan ka. Kasi ang message mo naman, hindi naman kalokohan. Tama ba? Hindi naman joke. So anyway, actually, wala akong pakialam doon kung hindi ka nare-replyan. Kaya lang, personally speaking, hindi talaga maganda na hindi nagre-reply. Di ba, class?
Hindi, ma'am. Sa project
ba?
po.
Sa project ba?
Yung
Project
pag-grupo
tungkol-
niya raw po, hindi raw po nagre-reply.
Oo. Project tungkol saan yan? Anong subject yan, JM?
Dito po. Ma'am.
Madali lang yun. Eh, di mo na isama. Yun lang yun, JM. Ikaw naman, pinahirapan mo pa sarili mo. So, drop the names. Bahala sila.
Bawal po
The
yun.
names. I think
Mabait
that's
po ako.
the only thing that you can do na ikaw rin ang magpe-favor. Drop the names. Ayaw, di ayaw. Ma'am, unfair. Mas unfair yun sa iyo. Mas
Okay.
unfair yun sa iyo.
Nga po, ma'am, nakokonsensya po siya masyado.
Okay. Kasi ano yan depende yan kung papaano kayo as a person. Yung inyong pagiging tao, depende yan sa inyo. Pero ang sa atin, meron tayong obligasyon as a student. Okay, if you would like to pass in the subject, it depends upon you. Dapat mag-effort tayo lahat. Ma'am, napapagod ako. Lahat tayo napapagod, class. Wala ditong hindi napapagod. Abnormal ang hindi napapagod. But we have to go on. We have to move on. We have to work hard. What did you get? Kaya JM, if you have a problem like that, drop the name. Bahala sila.
Si
That will
Reddings daw
make
po,
your life
ma'am.
easy. Ano yon, Mark?
Si Reddings daw po yun.
Anong credit? Ano yun?
Si Mendoza daw po yun, ma'am.
Justin, tanggal ka na sa grupo niyo.
Kailangan graduate, ma'am.
Okay, isettle nyo yan isettle nyo yan. Kasi wala akong ano sa mga issues nyo Settle the issue. Maaring lahat tayo busy. It's somehow a time management issue to. And then hindi naman to yung issue na hindi kita kaibigan JM, kaya hindi kita pinapansin. Hindi to yun It's time management. Diba, Dayan? What do you think? Diba? So, ganyan. Pero ako kasi pag nagme-message ako kay JM, never niya akong hindi pinapansin. Lagi niya akong nire-replyan. Ayan. Ako rin, I'm trying my best to reply pag nagme-message si JM. Ayan. Kasi dapat ganon. As an IT person, dapat may respond ka. Kasi IT tayo ayan. So, meron pa kayong question at kailangan ko na umalis ng bahay, JM? Meron pa ako appointment sa school? Meron pa.
May
Ano
short
yan?
lang, may short lang po ipe-present since ginawa ko po siya this week lang. After natin i-discuss yung a priori algorithm, kinonvert ko po siya into program po.
Oo. Sige, JM, pa-share mo. Pero meron din akong sample program to be shared pero later on ko na ibibigay. No? Sandali lang to kasi kailangan ko na umalis, JM.
Sandali lang po.
Nagagalit na yung pusa namin. Wait lang Ayan. Okay, sandali lang. Yes, oo. So, JM, please.
Kita na po yung screen mo. So, gumawa po ako ng store data.
Yeah. Zoom out lang, please.
Tinib ko po as CSV. Wait lang. No? Okay na po, ma'am. Readable na po.
Hindi ko pa rin makita, JM. Zoom out pa ng konti. Konting zoom out pa. Yan. Okay na. Sorry. Okay na. Actually, ito yung dapat na lecture ko next Monday. Forget Thursday, no? So I will explain the program on how I'm going to do it using Python. Sige. Go. JM.
So, dapat po plan ko po dito is gagawan ko po siya ng interface using GUI. Pero time consuming po. So, ginawa ko po muna yung main function ng program. So, using store data, i-read niya po yung CSV. And nag-import po ako ng pandas since we're talking po about the stats. And nag-import rin po ng a priori since gagamit po ako ng association rules.
Yes, that's true. Yes.
So sa records po is kinuha ko po yung stored data. And yung stored data po is nakasave as CSV. Pero
CSV
ginawa ko po
file.
siya sa Excel. And kinuha ko lang po
Excel.
siya sa Google para hindi na po maging time consuming.
Yes. Oo. JM, pakita lang na output.
Ito po yung
Please.
output niya, ma'am. So,
Meron ka ditong, kasi may tatawagin pa tayo na library, no? Para makita natin yung left, conviction, and so on and so forth.
Yes po,
So
ma'am.
meron kang lift, pero
Yes
wala
po,
ka pang conviction, ano?
Yes po. Kumuha po
Yeah,
ako ng
it's alright.
confidence sa leave.
Okay, no problem, no problem. Ayan.
So dito po sa program na to, ang minimum support po natin is 2. So kukunin niya lang po yung minimum support na 2. And yung minimum confidence naman po is 0.2, which is 20%. And yung minimum leap is 3. So dito po sa part na to, kunyari po, may bumili ng chicken and light cream. So kukunin po natin yung minimum support niya and yung confidence level niya po is 29%, which is pasok po dun sa 20%. And yung minimum leap po natin is 3, which is pasok pa rin po, which is...
So nagmamatch dun sa ano natin, manual computation, John?
Yes po, ma'am.
Okay, good. Okay na, John. This is very good. Oo, this is actually very good. Kasi nakita natin using a program no, that we could have what? Manual computation and then, ayan, using Python because it has what? Library or package no, using a priori. Okay na to, JM. I think you can share that with your classmates. That's very nice, very good. And then, talagang full effort no, using the algorithm. So we're going to have that probably on Thursday. Pero, JM, i-share mo na sa classmates para magamit nyo na ito in your project preparation. Okay. So that will be good. Ang medyo kulang mo lang yung conviction. So there's another library for you to have conviction. Okay, ayan. Very good talaga si JM. Ayan, so syempre iba din very good. Ayan. But anyway, class, so I hope magbago tayo ng perspective sa buhay, ha? Class, hindi pwedeng laging may ganun tayong katwiran. Nicole, magagalit ka pa ba? Kailangan ko na umalis. Yan, Nicole.
Mabilis lang po, ma'am. Kung pwede po na, nagpa-survey po kasi yung group namin. If pwede po namin gamitin yung data niya.
Nagpa-survey?
Opo, nangolekta lang po kami data.
Para saan? Anong data? Anong data?
Ay, ano lang po, kung anong klase ng programming language po inaral ng students in first year, second year sa iba't ibang schools po. Sa IT po, ITCS.
Okay.
Yun po yung gagamitin namin data, if pwede po.
So gusto mo i-share. Nicole, wag mo muna i-share. Next sa ano na lang. Sa Thursday mo na lang i-share yung data set nyo. Oo. That will be good. That will be good. Yes.
Okay,
it is. It is. Ganda nga kasi valid data, real data ang ginamit mo. That will be good. And then you can practice data cleaning. Siyempre, i-qualify nyo pa yung records nyo. Magkakaroon kayo ng feature extraction and then selection pictures. No? But anyway, I will tell that later. So ngayon, kakat ko muna ang klase because I have to do it. But anyway, thank you for the effort, classmates. Classmates tuloy. Thank you for the effort, BSIT 25. Alam ko natututo naman kayo kahit pa paano, no? Pero syempre, time management. Time management. You must learn how to manage your time. Oo. Tingnan nyo sina JM, sina Nicole, no? Sina John Conrad, ayan, sina Beethoven, sina Christina, sina Tricia, sina Jaren, Casey, baka maghalit yung iba sa akin, ayan, si Mark. Tingnan nyo sila, class, hindi naman sila pumapangit. Kahit sila ay maraming ginagawa at hindi natutulog, no? Diba, Dayan? Oo. Hindi sila pumapangit. Actually, diba, Tricia, hindi kayo pumapangit. Ma'am, kumakapal po ang aming eye bag. Ganun talaga. Ganun talaga. Hindi ka BSIT pag wala kang eye bag. Minsan, mas malaki sa mukha mo yung eye bag. Okay lang yung progressive yung eye bag. It's okay. Pero yung sinasabi mo na walang eye bag, imposible yon. Walang ganun. O, ayan. Ma'am, yung eye bag ko po, lagpas na sa mukha ko. Okay lang yun. you can still handle that eye bag. Walang problem sa eye bag. It's normal. So class, I am actually what? Motivating everybody. Pag IT ka, hindi mo iniisip yung ganda. Ang iniisip mo, paano ka in that subject. And then in your future, paano ka. So, ano to? Kumakalbo. Sino yung kumakalbo? Ayan, nauubos lang po. Nakita nyo naman ako personally, di ba, Nicole? Ang nipis-nipis ng hair ko. Anyway, okay lang. It's all right. No, it doesn't matter kung manipis ang buhok ko, whatever. The thing is what? I can teach and I can what? Make students what? Learn. Yun ang pinakamahalaga. All right. So, di ba, John Conrad? What do you think? Ayan. So, kasi tayo mga IT, hindi tayo frontliner eh. I hope that you get my point. Hindi tayo frontliner. Lagi tayong tayo yung pinaka-framework eh. Of every opisina, tayo ang pinaka-framework. Yung strength nila, nasa atin yan. Okay. The strength of the organization depends upon what the IT people. Ganun tayo plus. Okay? So, ayan. Picture na tayo, Nicole.
Okay po. Ready guys, open na kayo ng camera.
Tingnan nga natin ang ating mga kaklase kung ano na itsura. Ayan.
Ma'am, nagpa-excuse po si Stephen since sobrang sakit daw po ng katawan niya and may trangkaso po siya.
I see. Okay. All right. Kaya pala wala si Stephen. Actually, hindi lang naman si Stephen ang wala. Maraming wala. Okay? Sige. Nicole, picture na tayo at malikot itong aming alagang pusa.
Sige mo sa akin, ma'am.
Okay.
Ready, guys. 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay na po, ma'am.
All right. Thank you very much. Okay, so ingat kayo lahat ha. God bless. And then, wala tayong meeting on Monday. Baka meron pumasok sa Zoom. Walang meeting on Monday. Ready your assignment.
Face-to-face yan, ma'am.
Oo, oo nga, ano. Okay, pero I cannot attend because of the requirement of the university. We have to attend a meeting. Okay, class, sorry for that. I cannot attend. Pero anyway, nagpaalam na ako. So class, goodbye. God bless to everybody. And learn how to manage your time. Okay, bye. God bless.
Bye, ma'am. Ingat po.
Ingat po kayo, ma'am.
Ingat po.
Salamat po, ma'am.
You take care also.
I love you, ma'am.
Thank you po, ma'am.
Yes.